What's up?
Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Classics. Maddie.
Maddie, Brian.
Peter. Oh no. I feel like I just called the teacher dad.
Naomi is still filming.
No! Stop. Oh, okay. Well, Naomi says we have to keep going. So we did the tuck and hook today.
You go the hey, step, 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 a twisty, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, hit. A shake, stomp off, then you keep dancing. And that was not everything because we also did this break. It goes from Charleston, boom, hey, a rock step, kick cross, boom, and down. And that's what we did.